Today we are doing spiraling womb massage to reconnect you with your feminine essence. Welcome to Womb Moon Yoga, yoga that helps women to feel free and joyful in their bodies and their relationships. So make sure that your stomach is empty and let's do it together. So you can do it lying down or sitting. I'll be standing just so you can see me better. And we'll start with just getting our hands warm and placing your both hands on your lower and upper tummy. Take a few deep breaths. Relax and make an intention. What would you like to receive from this massage? Maybe it's self-nurturance, love, deeper connection with your inner self. Just stating this intention and then placing the ring and middle finger right below the navel. The navel will be our home point from which we start and to which we return. So what we'll do is creating spiraling movement, 3 spirals, small spirals, and then we'll move to the right and do the same movement there. Make it quite strong, just as strong as it's comfortable for you, and keep moving along your navel, drawing these little spirals like you are encoding yourself with the sacred geometry of the Divine Mother. So we are spiraling out. This spiral moves from the navel outwards. And also get a little bit more sensitive here and start feeling where it's tight, where it needs more attention. Like I feel quite tight here in my solar plexus, so you may want to have the sound to help you to release. And of course, feel free to stay a little bit longer in those areas that want more love. And so we are moving outwards. Breathing, always allowing your body to breathe the way she wants. Till you come to the biggest circle that reaches right under your rib cage, your hip points, and your pubic bone underneath. And so from here we'll now start moving inward. You still want to go clockwise, and we'll move clockwise inwards. Clockwise is recommended unless you really want to purge and release, then anti-clockwise would be good, but be aware you may want to vomit and really have big release. So for now it's more of the nurturing practice. So we are moving clockwise, both in little spirals and in our big spiral. We are moving inwards. It's a great way to energize yourself, to bring more energy into your womb center. Quite vigorously putting some nice pressure to feel this deep internal massage for all of your intestines and other organs. The circle is getting smaller, moving towards the navel, back to our home base. And we finish right on top of the navel. Relax your arm and just relax for a few breaths. Feel this fire that you activated within yourself. You may feel some heat inside, some burning sensations perhaps. And we'll now smooth it out with the water element. So you're going to place these 2 fingers below the navel. And again, we'll start with just spiraling out, but now it's just gently flowing like the water stream, beautiful water vortex. And then we want to spiral inwards, again just clockwise, back to the navel, back home, inviting all of yourself to return back home. Just placing the center of your palm on top of your navel and noticing your pulse, the beating of your heart inside of your tummy. You may want to use your fingers just to notice that now this pulse is really centered. It's just where your navel is. And then again, just placing both hands. I love my womb. I bless my womb. I appreciate my womb. I love my belly. I appreciate my belly. I bless my belly. Thank you. Let me know how it goes for you. If you have any questions or any comments, please share and please subscribe so you can receive more juicy, delightful videos to get in connection with your womb and your body. Thank you. Namaste.